Hey, what's up, Dogecoin? So, what's going on, my brother? What's going on? I am very excited. I am very happy because I have two good news for Dogecoin holder. Dogecoin holder. The one good news is that this is the live price prediction, and the Dogecoin is going very fastly. So therefore, I am very happy and I'm very excited to share this news and with my best friend. And the second one is very suspenseful, and this I show you and this video made it in. Okay, so let's get started the live price prediction. But before I get started with the video, my brother, please subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe this channel. If you are any crypto holder, then congratulations, you are the member of crypto, then also you are the member of our channel. Okay, please subscribe this channel and you are the member. Okay, so guys, this time I gonna show you the three charts. First of all, I gonna show you three charts, and then we decide to what we do in this critical situation. Every holder asks me to what we do in this situation: sell, buy, hold. So this is very important for everyone. Please note these results, these changes, because this is very important for the last decision. I also need your opinion, and I am also sharing my opinion. I cannot order you, I just share my opinion. Okay guys, so this time you can see here the last 1 hour latest price, latest to latest price. This is the latest price, and the latest changes as 0.81% they got up. So this is not a small change. Okay, everyone understand it. This is gone very fastly up like a rocket, and you can see here the latest price is absolutely gone up, not gone down. Congratulations, my brother. The price is totally changed. 0.06 293 US dollar as the latest price. So this is good jump. You can see here take a very high jump and the graph in the last 1 hour. So let's check out the last 1 day result to what's going on in the last 1 day. Okay, the last 1 day result are absolutely very important for this decision, guys. If you can see here the last 1 day change, as a 3.31% going up. So congratulations, this is also good, not bad. If the chant is just in positive, then congratulations, this is good chant, not as small. This is very big. You can see here every cryptocurrency as goes down, and crypto market 10 billion US dollar loss. So this is very bad news for everyone. But Dogecoin has totally gone fastly. So I am love Dogecoin this time because my all cryptocurrencies, my 5 cryptocurrencies has lost, but Dogecoin and 3 other has gone very fastly. So guys, this time you can see here not this price. This price is very important. 0.06311 US dollar is the latest price. So let's check out the last 7 day result to what's going on in the 7 days, and then we decide to what we do in this critical situation. Guys, if you can see here the channel is plus 5.75% going up like a rocket. Oh my god, mind-blowing result. You can see here the changes and also in a positive and every cryptocurrency, and the last and the first week of this month has gone very fastly down, but Dogecoin has gone totally very fast. Dogecoin holders, congratulations. You can see here they take a very high jump sometime, but if you can see here the latest price also gone up. 0.06535 US dollar is the latest price of 7 days. So congratulations, brother. My decision is simple. I'm fine my decision, and my opinion is that to this is, if you have any plan to buy more, then buy it. This is absolutely a good time to you buy more. Okay friends, please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. And if you have no plan, then please don't sell it. Okay, don't sell it, be hold. And I have no plan to sell it, my brother. I have a plan to sell it in 2025. Yes, I cannot sell this. Okay, I sell it in 2025. They make me millionaire. They give me a very good profit. I hope. So I cannot sell it. Okay, what your decision? Please share it in a comment box. What's your opinion? Please, my expectation is very good from Dogecoin. What's your expectation? Please share it in a comment box. This is very important for everyone. Okay guys, so the announcement which I said in the first start of this video, announcement is that I do a giveaway of Dogecoin. Okay, so Dogecoin giveaway is coming soon, but you just complete 3,000 subscribe of my channel. Just 100 subscribe needed. I hope today they complete it, and tomorrow I announcement. So keep touch with us, subscribe to this channel, press bell icon, and don't miss giveaway. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.